Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve Windows 10 won't detect second monitor. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, search a device manager, open device manager. Now here expand display adapters. Now right click on display adapter and update driver. If this method not work, so update your graphic card. So try this first method. Still you are facing problem, so open any web browser. Like type here Dell monitor driver. Then click on this official link. Now identify your product using enter a Dell service tag, Dell EMC product ID or model. And if you have Dell GeForce Experience, so it will detect automatically. Now to download driver, click here drivers and so click here. Now here click on find drivers. Like type here monitor. Select your Windows system. So you will see this all. So here you will see a list of drivers. Select your requirement, then download, and again click here, and this time update driver and select browse my computer and browse that driver which you downloaded from this site. So this is the way guys you can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.